the state as a whole.
Kat babaro kila penpau ke jeng persya Halor ke UCC bat kintu yo menteri rang ba ke jela u konrad ke sangma ban ai karai ke bala menjur lang baro ban persya ya ka u menteri rang ba ke jela pat ulaong batat onda layo I ke bil ke bedoni ke Jingbatai Bniah Shaphang Jong ka on sala ban ai ke jing Shim rai bat on omla ban Shim ya karai tang ling ba ke jing sngo da ka baong ba ka UCC ka day ka mat ka bayar usang maula ong ba don jing mentoy ben ekran Shaphang Jong ka UCC klem da yo I ka jing tho Halor ka jing Shim rai jong ka yeng dor bar thau an ka Kerala persya ka uniform civil code kala don ka jing dawa ban persya lang kumjo na ka jela la ban pen kan mau banado kinong ya lam niam bat ka seng ka besno bat ka sarkar MDA kata ka seng UDP kala pen pau ka jing sokia Halor ka UCC.
Now, are you saying if you can show me the bill that has got the details of it, then we will take a resolution accordingly after reading it. But an idea and a concept of UCC, I cannot take a resolution on a concept. I cannot take a resolution on an idea. It has to be on a particular issue. It has to be on a particular bill and particular format which has to be given to us. And hence, I suggest to the press also that I think there's no use talking about the UCC till we don't see a formal document on what the UCC is all about, and only then can we comment on it. So let's not go, just kind of raising, an issue out of something that is not there right now. It's an idea and a concept which has not taken form yet. Until that happens, we cannot make any comment on the UCC.